For the entire month of February, I upload YouTube Short to see if I can go viral on a brand new channel. How many views and subscribers can I get in only 30 days? And can I get the channel monetized? Well, let's go over the entire process. Alright, so I'm pretty sure most of you guys have come across a YouTube Short like this or this. People love these kinds of videos. Just check this channel for instance. His videos are getting a crazy amount of views, with one of the videos hitting over 249 million views. That sounds like huge money, right? I found out this channel is doing the exact thing. So the reason why I chose this niche is simple. 1, this niche has lots of audience, and I don't even need to say it because numbers don't lie. 2, although I don't know how to renovate floor and rooms, but I can use AI. Alright, I make a brand new channel and call it I warmed it up for about 7 days to avoid any form of shadow ban. Now I can start my research. I found 2 channels that I assume to be my main competitors. Structural Aesthetics has close to 400k subscribers. Home Magic has close to 250k subscribers. What's interesting about Structural Aesthetics is that one of his videos hits over 294 million views. So I spent time analyzing the top performing and worst performing shorts to figure out what works. This is how we learn on YouTube. After a few hours of digging, I identified some key patterns. I'll need a good idea and, most important, a engaging background music, which can make a nice video. Yeah, I think that makes lots of sense because watching the video alone would be boring. On the 13th day, I started generating ideas with ChatGPT because I love to use AI. I found out in my research that all the top performing videos have one thing in common. Number 1, they use time-lapse effect, which makes sense to me because it makes video more engaging. 2, they use sound effects or background music, which also makes sense because it's going to trigger curiosity and strong emotional reactions. And lastly, most of their top performing videos have unique idea. So I prepared this prompt to generate similar concepts. You can see all the prompts that use in this video in my free Telegram channel link below. You can check it out. Once I paste it here and hit enter, it generates tons of ideas for me to choose the best ones. Seems easy, right? It's not that easy. I still have a lot to do. I still need to generate text to images prompt, so to generate the image and video, simply choose idea from here, like I've selected this one. Now in the chat section, type that idea number and click generate. Then ChatGPT will provide you text to image and image to video prompts exactly as we need them for our content. Now, how did I get the videos? It's simple. To create the visuals using Flow, which gives free monthly credits, enough for the whole process. Open Flow, create a new project and select the image feature to generate unlimited images for free. Then, in the settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for short-form visuals. Next, go back to your ChatGPT session and copy the prompt for the first image. Paste it into Flow and click Generate. Flow will produce 2 images for the first visual, which in my case is this ugly kitchen at the very beginning of the renovation process. Once the first images are ready, download your favorite and upload it to Flow's reference section. Then click Save. Repeat the process for the second image. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, generate the images, and upload your chosen one to the reference section. This set can show workers starting the renovation, the second scene of your video. Now, generate the remaining images in the same way. Once all images appear in the media section, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's animate the images. In the same Flow session, select the frames to video feature. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16, the same as before, and choose your model. VO Fast, this works well and is affordable. Select the first frame in Flow and choose image 1, then set the second frame to image 2. Copy the first image to video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, and click Generate. After about a minute, Flow will create the first video scene, starting with image 1 and ending with image 2. For the second video, set image 2 as the first frame and image 3 as the second. Copy the second image to video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, and click Generate. This creates the second scene with a smooth time-lapse effect. To save some time, I generated all videos in the same way. The next step is to download each one. Simply click on the download button and make sure to download every video by using the original size. Now it's time for video editing in CapCut. Import all your videos and background music, then drag the videos onto the timeline in order. Select all videos and scale them to 108% to remove VO logo and fit the vertical format. Drag the music below the videos, trim it to match the full length, lower the volume to 20, and add a 3-second fade out for a clean ending. Apply a fade out animation to the last video for a smooth finish. Finally, open the export settings, copy the optimized settings for YouTube Shorts, and click Export. Your video is now ready. Alright, so after everything, I posted this video on my channel. And guess what? I had close to 1,300 views and 12 subscribers. Not bad for a start. Day 2 of uploading couldn't change everything as I uploaded another video that's almost the same as the first one and suddenly couldn't blow up. This slightly different video gets 0 views in the first 24 hours and then suddenly 796 views in the next day. It gets 1,151 views, then completely flatlines. I uploaded another one with lots of effort, and I had 556 views in the first 2 hours, and then a massive spike, which is over 6,000 views, and flatline again. This is normal to me because each time I post a short, it gets little to no views for the first 5 hours and sometimes 24 hours. In most cases, a massive surge of views happens the next day, and then it completely flatlines at around 1,000 to 5,000 views. But I think I have a solution for it. You see, I realized I was getting distracted from the actual editing because I wanted to prepare some videos for my other channel. I basically fried my brain. But I made a bold decision to speed up the process and post 2 videos in a day, which is in the morning and in the evening. Alright, so I posted this short and it flatlined again. That's crazy. But it got 78,000 views, which is more than double the usual amount of views. You can see it had 0 views for the first hour, then hit over 2,000 views after 2 hours before it got to 78,000, then flatlines. It also brought me 173 new subscribers, which isn't bad at all. Now, look with this approach. I started seeing results much faster. Before, I was uploading only 1 video per day, but as soon as I uploaded 2 videos, I saw a massive spike in views. That's when I realized I need to focus on 2 key things: quantity, upload more videos; consistency, maintain a steady schedule. I uploaded the last video for the week using this same method, and I put more effort in this video. At this point, I was expecting over 100,000 views. But do you know what actually happened? I got only 100 views. I'm kidding. It currently has over 600,000 views with over 28,000 subscribers. That's massive. I wasn't expecting this at all. You can see the graph here. I think this video will hit 1 million views. You can see it's still getting views. Okay, so here's my report for the first 7 days. I gained our 770th 338 views and 29,441 subscribers. This isn't bad at all for a start. You know, week 2 turns on quite well as one of my shorts hits over 1.6 million views. I used the 2 videos in a day method, so I was able to upload 14 videos. I uploaded 2 videos, which is one in the morning and the other in the evening. You can see the first video got over 57,000 views, which is a bit lower compared to the previous 2 videos. The second video changed everything. It has gathered over 1.7 million views, which is massive. I know it's going to happen because all my competitors are having such views, but it happened earlier than expected. And because of this video, I've been getting good views on the other videos as well. Alright, let's see if I was able to monetize the channel. In the second week, I was able to upload 14 videos this time, and these 14 videos gathered 2,354,015 views and 73,571 subscribers. Now, for the entire month of April, I was able to upload 27 videos, and these videos have brought me 3,722,153 views and 103,119 subscribers. Although it's not enough for monetization, it's encouraging. I just have to keep uploading more. If you check here, you'll see I still have 7 million views to go, and it's possible if I can upload more videos. Note, YouTube doesn't count watch hours for shorts. That's why you see 0 here. All right, so the main question people will ask is if this channel will be monetized since I'm AI. From my own experience, I'll say yes, because I already have a similar channel. So don't wait. Start right now with the free method, see the results for yourself, and then level up when you're ready. With paid AI tools, even their basic plan lets you create more videos faster and smarter.